How to make money online with ChatGPT. Even since OpenAI launched ChatGPT, things have changed dramatically in the tech landscape. The OpenAI large language model is so powerful that it can do multiple things, including creative work like writing essays, number crunching, code writing, and more. In this video, we will discuss about 10 easy ways to make money online with ChatGPT. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. 1. Find unclaimed money. With the help of ChatGPT 4 and OpenAI plugins, you can find unclaimed money under your name, at least in the United States. Yes, it's possible now, and the CEO of Do Not Pay has already demonstrated it on Twitter. With the internet browsing plugin, ChatGPT 4 can access live internet and find unclaimed refunds from companies and government agencies under your name. You just need to add your name, location, and date of birth and ask ChatGPT to find you some money. It will scan the internet and offer you the link to get a refund. 2. Build an app, website, or service. The next best way to make money with ChatGPT is by building a product. And for this, you don't need to learn to code. ChatGPT can help you translate your ideas into real products with step-by-step instructions on how to use frameworks, toolchains, programming languages, etc. Recently, Iworstafuric, a Ukrainian entrepreneur, built a Chrome extension with the help of ChatGPT, having zero knowledge of programming, and he made $1,000 within 24 hours of launching the extension. That said, I would recommend subscribing to ChatGPT Plus in order to access ChatGPT 4. ChatGPT 4 is good at code generation and can find errors and fix them instantly. While you don't have to be a programmer, a basic understanding of logic would help you see what the code is doing. To sum up, if you want to use ChatGPT to make money, go ahead and build a tech product. 3. Get business ideas from ChatGPT. To make money using ChatGPT, you must use it to its full potential. In case you are unaware, ChatGPT is good at churning out new ideas for passive income. For example, you can run the below prompt in ChatGPT to ask about side hustle ideas, depending on your preferences. ChatGPT will now ask you a bunch of questions about your expertise, interest, challenges, and more. After that, the AI Chatbot will come up with tailored business ideas that meet your ability and expectation. You can query further and conceptualize the plan on how to start it. What are the things to keep in mind, etc. You can also start with generate a new business idea for, and then ChatGPT will come up with some amazing results. 4. Create an AI chatbot. After the launch of ChatGPT, the demand for AI-assisted chatbots has only gone higher. Business companies, educational institutions, apps, and even individuals want to train the AI on their own custom data and create a personalized AI chatbot. You can earn good money if you learn how to train an AI and create a cool front end. Stripe has already created a ChatGPT-powered virtual assistant that understands its technical documentation and helps developers by answering questions instantly. We have also written a tutorial on how to train an AI chatbot on custom data. The best part is that to create an AI chatbot, you don't need to be a programmer. You can ask ChatGPT to help you out with this as well. Ask it how to create an AI chatbot using Python, and it will start giving you instructions. 5. Email affiliate marketing. Email affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money using ChatGPT. The chatbot is good at writing emails in various ways and can persuade the user to click on a link to buy products or subscribe to a service. You can add your affiliate link, and that will likely make money for you. To begin with, choose an affiliate program, be it Amazon, Shopify, ConvertKit, etc. After that, you have to build an email list around your targeted marketing campaign using lead magnets, email signups, and much more. Now, craft a compelling email campaign using ChatGPT, which should include the benefits, services offered, and affiliate link. Now, monitor the emails for click-through rates and conversion rates, and it will give you a good idea of how well your campaign is performing. Email affiliate marketing is surely one of the lucrative ways to earn money using ChatGPT without much effort. 6. Turn into a prompt expert. The best AI tools on mobiles, and even the best ChatGPT alternatives have their own nuances. If you're someone using AI image generators, the process to actually use them can get even harder. This is because artificial intelligence, while smart, can be dumb if not given the right prompts to work with. However, browsing across the internet, you must have seen folks compiling a variety of prompts and selling them. Furthermore, you might even see people offering courses on AI prompt engineering. These, while initially unnecessary, have turned into proper careers. Provided you have a surgical knowledge of AI and its use, you can become a prompt expert and make use of ChatGPT to make money for you. So, for the audience out there that requires detailed yet concise prompts to use Midjourney to generate AI art, you can be the one who steps in. In the same vein, if you have used ChatGPT long enough, you can even compile the best ChatGPT prompts out there and then sell a collection for as little or as much as you want. 7. Create videos with ChatGPT. There are many niche and sub-niche categories on the internet, which are yet to be explored. You can ask ChatGPT to come up with video ideas in a particular category. After that, you can ask it to write a script for the YouTube video as well. Apart from that, you can create video content around topical events and monetize the content. For example, reaction videos are popular on YouTube, and particularly, people like to watch reaction videos in shorts format. Clip duration must be less than 60 seconds. With such niche content ideas and ChatGPT's help, you stand to earn a lot of money. 8. Write ebooks and self-publish. According to a Reuters report, with the launch of ChatGPT, AI-written ebooks have seen a significant boom on Amazon. This is because writing and conceptualizing new ideas has become much easier with ChatGPT. People are using ChatGPT to write ebooks on many relevant and niche topics and selling them directly on Amazon using the Kindle Direct publishing platform. Recently, we also decided to explore the bot's capabilities and using ChatGPT to write essays. From children's ebooks to motivational lectures and sci-fi novels, people are publishing ebooks in various categories with the help of ChatGPT. Since ChatGPT does not respond with long answers at once, you can start with the outline and slowly add each paragraph to your word processor. 9. Freelance and create content. Finally, you can freelance in any domain and use ChatGPT on the side to make money. In fact, companies are now incentivizing people who use AI tools like ChatGPT to make the content look more professional and well-researched. Freelancing is not just limited to writing blog posts. You can also use ChatGPT for translation, digital marketing, proofreading, writing product descriptions, and more. Fiverr now has a separate AI services category, where you can find jobs related to AI fact-checking, content editing, technical writing, and more. So if you use ChatGPT fairly well, go ahead and freelance in your area of expertise. 10. Become a virtual assistant. While making an AI chatbot might quickly help you earn money, this take is a bit different. ChatGPT is an easy enough tool to use. However, not everyone has the time or the inclination to leverage it. For such cases and more, you can become a full-fledged human assistant that uses ChatGPT. Ever since ChatGPT got access to the internet, the things it can do have dramatically increased. In the same vein, people can now enable and use ChatGPT plugins right now, which have given the bot even more power. With the best ChatGPT plugins and the right skills by their side, anyone can use the AI chatbot to make money. From overly simple tasks like sending emails and Slack messages to helping users perfect their code and drafting out entire stories, and even language translation, there's a lot you can do. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.